Hey, Professor Wagner here again. What we're looking at is another anatomical model. Once again, we're seeing the kidney with its cortex and medulla, the renal pyramids and papillae, the major and minor calyces, and all of the arteries and veins that we talked about in our other video. This is just kind of a close-up of some of the nephrons and the nephron structures. Those tiny little red dots are supposed to represent the glomeruli. But this is kind of where the action is. What we see here is the afferent artery heading into our glomerulus and then splitting up into the actual knot or tangle of capillaries that form the glomerulus itself. On top of it, you can kind of see the basement membrane, and then these little blue things with the feet. Those are going to be podocytes with their foot processes that open up the essentially filtration slits in the little capillaries themselves. What we see here is the glomerular capsule, or the Bowman's capsule. It's a simple squamous epithelial tissue that essentially acts as a funnel and essentially sends the collected filtrate at this point down into the proximal convoluted tubule, where the actual tubular reabsorption and tubular secretion can take place. What we see here is the switchover from the simple squamous epithelial tissue of the glomerular capsule to the simple columnar epithelial tissue of the proximal convoluted tubule. Now remember, in the proximal convoluted tubule, that's going to be covered with a brush border of microvilli.